So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video I'm just gonna discuss one of the topic related to my channel on this video. First of all, let me tell you guys, I was just messing around with like OpenPose editor today, and yes, I miserably failed. First of all, let me show you that what I was messing around. I was just messing around with like OpenPose editor and just creating something like this. And one thing that I can definitely say about OpenPose editor, while I was trying this trick, it was totally amazing guys. So yes, definitely I will make a video about it tomorrow in detail. So that's not the thing that I want to discuss today. First of all, let me tell you guys, I have created one of my Discord server, one small server on Discord, that's AI launch. I was just getting lot of requests on my comment section about issues and error. So basically I just created AI launch server based on like Stable Diffusion, as I totally create videos based on like Stable Diffusion. So feel free to join, the link will be already in the description. So the main purpose of creating a server is totally based on Stable Diffusion. You can come and discuss various things related to Stable Diffusion. You can discuss ideas, you can support and help, you can send errors, like share your errors, and yes, we will discuss it as well. So that's the thing that I wanted to share about like Discord server in today's video, and yes, I wanted to keep it as short as possible. So that's the thing I want to discuss with you all. Feel free to join and feel free to ask any of the question related to Stable Diffusion. First of all, let me tell you, and that's just a small thing that I want to discuss about in today's video. And yes, I will be back with more and more and with interesting videos tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Bye guys, love you all guys. Bye guys.